1897. His father, his father Rai Bahadur Jayantik Bose was government.
Jainikinath Bose.
Jayantik Bose was a government lawyer in British judiciary. His mother
Parvati Devi.
Parvati Devi was a
Philanthropist.
philanthropist. Pediatrician was dead.
Prediction.
Practitioner was dead. His Bengal lad will become a senior servant of Britisher.
Sincere.
Sincere servant of Britisher. But he went on to become
A staunch freedom fighter.
staunch freedom fighter against British Empire. After passing the examination with a good marks from Kal-
Kolkata's
Kolkata's President's College, he went to England for
further.
further studies. He passed the very difficult ICS Indian Civil
Civil.
Service examination at fourth number and returned to Calcutta. Needs of revolution were
Planted
planted in his India.
in his mind due to
In his mind due to the instability,
insulting
insulting attitude and the pride of the British professors at the pres- presidency
presidency
presidency college town was the
towards the Indians. Okay, wait. Subhash Chandra. Where was Subhash Chandra Bose born? He was born in Cuttack. In which state? That is Orissa. And date is 23rd January 1897. So where was Subhash Chandra Bose born? In Cuttack, in Orissa state on 23rd January 1897. Okay? Boys, you can listen me now clearly. Boys, boys, I am asking you.
yes ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
His
ma'am.
fa- His father's name is Rai Bahadur Janakinath Bose. His father's name is Rai Bahadur Janakinath Bose, and he was a government lawyer. Lawyer means what? Who will tell the meaning of lawyer? Boys, I am telling you. Lawyer meaning, anyone know it?
What, ma'am?
Boy, lawyer's meaning of lawyer.
Vakil.
Sorry, boys, I am
What
telling you
vakil?
what you are telling.
Lawyer means vakil, no?
I want perfect meaning. Meaning of lawyer means what?
Advocate.
Hmm?
Advocate.
I can't hear your voice, beta. Who studies the law is known as lawyer. Can you see my screen? Boys,
No,
can
ma'am.
you see my screen?
No, ma'am.
No.
Now,
Yes.
so his father was a government lawyer in British judiciary and his mother was a philanthropist. What is the meaning of philanthropist? What's the meaning of philanthropist? Boys, you all are sleeping?
No, ma'am.
Then write the question first. Meaning of philanthropist. You have to find it and tell me, okay?
Okay.
Say yes or no fast.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Prediction was that this Bengali lad will become sincere servant of Britishers. It means what? That all people were knowing, were thinking that this Subhash Chandra Bose will not fight for India, but he will become a servant of Britishers. But what happens? He fight against British Empire. Subhash Chandra Bose fight against British Empire. Then after passing the examination with good marks from Kolkata's Presidency College, where he went to England for further studies. And then after he passed a very difficult exam, that is ICS, Indian Civil Service. Which exam he passed out? ICS, Indian Civil Service, at fourth number, and again he returned to Kolkata. Seeds of revolutions were planted in the mind due to the insulting attitude and pride of the British professor and the Presidency College towards the Indians. So, what his insult? Due to his insulting attitude, he fight for the Indians. He was much interested in the Indian independence struggle. Where, in which part he was interested? For Indians independence. He became an active member of National Assembly. He joined the Swarajya Party. In which year he joined Swarajya Party? That is 1923. So tell me, when was Subhash Chandra Bose born? In which year and in which state and in which district? Who will tell me?
23rd January 1897.
Okay. In which state and in which district?
Cut-
In
Cuttack in Orissa.
okay. What was his father's name and his mother's name?
Rai Bahadur Jantik Bose.
Janakinath Bose. And mother's name?
Parvati Devi.
Okay. His father was government lawyer and his mother was philanthropist. That meaning you have to find it and tell me. Then tomorrow I will explain you what is the meaning of philanthropist. Okay? So for further studies, where he went?
England.
England, yes. And which examination has passed with fourth number?
ICS.
ICS. Full form of ICS?
Indian Civil Service.
Okay. And when did he join Swarajya Party?
In 1923.
Okay. Who will read after 1923? Boys, who will read? Give me answer fast. Who will read?
I.
Start.
He soon became a very popular leader among a youth. He was he was in the top in the civil dis-
Disobedience.
disobedience movement and therefore jailed many times in 1938. At the young age of 41, he was
41.
41. He was selected as the president of Congress Convention at Hirapuri, Surat,
Haripura Surat.
Haripura, Surat, and so against his ability, he left the Congress as defiance of
Difference of opinion.
opinion with Gandhiji had increased and he established a party.
The forward bloc.
The
So
forward
he was most popular leader among youth. Youth means what? Those who are small, and in a small age he became a very popular leader. After that, he was elected as a president. In which party? Congress party at Haripura in Surat. And he has why he left the Congress due to the difference in opinion with Gandhiji, and so he has established a party that is Forward Bloc. Read. Read, beta.
to awake to awaken
Beta, read.
to awakeness
To awaken,
to awaken plebiscite
plebiscite,
parasite against a Britisher. He travelled most of the regions of India. He was arrested under the Indian
defense code,
Defence Code and during
imprisoned,
imprisoned during imprisonment. He was still treated. He was
ill-treated,
entreated. He was imprisoned at his place of residence as his health was deteriorating since he
deteriorating
deteriorating since he was fasting
unto the death.
unto the death. He travelled in discharge of patterns for
Pathan, Pathan,
Pathan from Calcutta via
via Peshawar, Kabul,
via
Iran, and Russia.
later on he reached a brilliant Germany.
So,
28
wait,
March
wait. Wait a second. So after establishing a party, the Forward Bloc, he was fighting against Britishers and traveling most of the regions of India. And then after he was arrested under why he was arrested under Indian Defence Code and imprisoned, and he was jailed. Imprisoned means jailed. During imprisonment, he was ill-treated. So his health was not good, and he was fasting. So it was known as unto the death. As he was traveling as a Pathan from where Kolkata, country he has traveled, Peshawar, Kabul, Iran, and Russia. And later on where he went to Berlin in Germany. In which year and which date? That is 20th March 1942. Read. Beta again read.
Indians living in Germany give him warm welcome. He agreed the people
Urge.
of urged the people of India through Berlin radio to fight against British Empire. He also met Hitler in
In
Germany
Germany.
and discussed in detail about the independence of India. He went to Rome and Paris to establish a military unit for the independence of India. Re-
Recruited
Recruited
3,000 million.
3,000 Indians, Respira both a revolutionary living in Japan, China, all the organized and established a Indians Independence Lodge to
League.
make
Wait.
league.
So after traveling to Peshawar, Kabul, Iran, then he later on where he went? He went to Berlin in Germany. So when he lived in Germany, Indians have welcomed him with a nice. He urged the people of India through Berlin. What he told the people through radio? He told the people of Berlin to Indians to fight against British Empire. Then he met Hitler in Germany for the Indians' independence and told Indians that those who will and he recruited 3,000 Indians for India's independence. Then after he went to Japan and established a Indian Independence League. What he has established? Indian Independence League. Read better.
To make India free, Japan,
Not
China,
Japan. To
Azad
make
of
India free. Hmm.
Azad Hind Fauj was set up. A princess of 100 Indians
Delegates.
del- delegates from Malaya, Japan, Sumatra, Java,
Sumatra, Java.
Hong Kong, Borneo, Andaman,
Andaman, Burma,
Andaman, Burma, Burmese, now
Myanmar.
Myanmar were in the organized and that Mohan Singh, a war prisoner arrested by the Japan, was also present. Moreover, Ras Bihari Bose was voluntarily returned as
As
a
head of
head of
INA.
INA.
So, what happened? Subhash Chandra Bose. He has appointed 3,000 Indians for the Indian independence. Okay. Then after he make India free. For that he established a Indian independence. What he has established? Indian Independence League. Okay. Then after he left. Then after to make India free, he has make Azad Hind Fauj and 100 Indian delegates. Means 100 of Indian peoples were appointed there in from Malaya, Japan, Sumatra, Java. Wait a second. So 100 Indians were appointed from where Malaya, Japan, Sumatra, Java, Hong Kong, Borneo, Andaman, Burma. Now it is known as Myanmar. They have made a organization, and in that the prisoner who was arrested from Japan, Mohan Singh was also present, and at that time, moreover, Ras Bihari was also retired as a head of INA. So clear about Subhash Chandra Bose,
Yes,
boys. So shall I ask the question? Shall I ask the question? Only one is present in the lecture or others are present? Boys, I am asking you. Tell me, in which year Subhash Chandra Bose joined Swarajya Party? In which year Subhash Chandra Bose joined Swarajya Party? Tell me fast. Boys, I am asking you questions. If you are not answering, then I will give this short note as 10 times, no? For writing.
In 1923.
Okay. Where was Subhash Chandra Bose born? Where was Subhash Chandra Bose born?
Cuttack in Orissa State, 23rd January 1897.
Okay. What was the father's name of Subhash Chandra Bose and mother's name of Subhash Chandra Bose?
Rai Bahadur Janti Kat Bose,
Janakinath. And mother's name?
Parvati Devi.
Parvati Dev,
Okay. For further studies, where he went?
England,
Okay. And which exam he passed with a fourth number?
ICE.
ICS,
Yes.
ICS. Full form of ICS?
Indian Civil Service.
Okay. At the young age, where he was elected as the president? In which party he was elected as a president? In which
Cong- Congress.
In which city?
Surat.
Okay. Which party was established
Swaraj
after?
Party.
Sorry. Which party was established after leaving the Congress party?
Swarajya Party.
No, forward bloc. Where where he traveled in the disguise of Pathan? Where he traveled in disguise of Pathan from Kolkata. Tell me. Which countries he has traveled? Boys, I am asking you.
Iran and Russia.
Okay, other country name that is Kabul and Peshawar. On 20th March 1942, where was Subhash Chandra Bose gone?
Germany.
Germany. Berlin in Germany. Okay. How many Indians were recruited for the India's independence?
3,000 Indians.
3,000 Indians. And from who was a war prisoner arrested by Japan? Who was a war prisoner arrested by Japan?
Mohan Singh.
Okay. So now next is Azad Hind Fauj. So which last we have learned is Subhash Chandra Bose. Now next which is coming that is Azad Hind Fauj and Indian Independence League. And Indian Independence League. Who will read it? Who will read this topic?
I.
Okay, start.
After breaking the tie to British security, Subhash Chandra Bose 11 reached a Japan
Cleverly.
cleverly reached the Japan from Berlin in summary in 1943. Moreover, Rasbir Bose of Indian Independence League invited a Subhash Chandra Bose to be the head of his league. It was decided that in this forge
Beta,
only
where you are reading? Japan would provide every kind of people. Start reading.
Japan provided every kind of help for Indian freedom. It was
Promise.
promised as Japanese army advanced towards Indian captures Indian
Provinces.
provisional government would be formed and Japan would give them reorganization.
Recognition.
Recognition.
On July 2nd,
On July 2nd, 1943, Subhash Chandra Bose went to Singapore from Japan, and there he was selected as the president of Indian Independence League of July 4, 1943.
so wait a second, beta. After breaking the British security, where Subhash Chandra Bose went, he went to Japan from Berlin in submarine in 1943. There he was elected, he was invited as the head of the league. Who invited him? Ras Bihari Bose. In which institute? Indian Independence League. Okay. Then Japan were helping Japan people were helping us for the India's freedom. So he promised it was promised that as Japanese army advances towards India capturing Indian provinces, what they have decided that Japanese army will capture Indian provinces, provisional governments and that all. So on July 2nd, 1943, Subhash Chandra Bose, where he went to Singapore from Japan and he was elected as the president of Indian Independence League on July 4th, 1943. Read.
Moreover, Sebastian Bose volunteered tried to head of Indian National Army.
And
Az-
appointed.
Azad Hind Fauj and appointed Subhash Chandra Bose as the head of INA. Indians residently there got a proper and able leaders for freeing their
Freeing their
motherland.
motherland.
motherland. Since that Subhash Chandra Bose was called a Netaji. In his speech as and on radio, he gave a slogan,
Chalo Delhi, let's
"चलो
march to
दिल्ली,
Delhi.
let's march to Delhi." And तुम मुझे
खून दो, मैं
खून
तुम्हें
दो,
आजादी
मैं
दूंगा.
तुम्हें आजादी दूं. Give me blood, I will give you freedom. With his skillful
Guidance. He formed
guidance,
the
he formed to Palla government.
parallel
His
government.
government he tried to converse and guard the Indians resident in Southeast Asia to ser-
Sacrifice
sacrifice
everything.
everything for the struggle of independence of India.
So, from Japan, he went to Singapore. There, he was elected as a president in Indian Independence League on July 4th, 1943. After that, Ras Bihari Bose was retired from INA, that is Indian National Army, and appointed as Subhash Chandra Bose was appointed as head of INA. And that then after he was called as Netaji. In his speech and radio, what he told? He told that Chalo Delhi, let's march to Delhi. For what he has told? For India's independence. And second slogan was तुम मुझे खून दो मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूं. Give me blood, I will give you freedom. In this way, in this skillful guidance, what he has formed parallel government. And the people who were residing in Southeast Asia told the people for the struggle of independence of India. Okay, to sacrifice for struggle of independence. Understood?
Yeah.
Yes.
So now I am asking you questions. I am closing my screen and you have to answer me. Okay? Okay, boys.
Yes.
Chalo. Tell me in which year Subhash Chandra Bose went to Singapore from Japan?
23rd, 23rd January 1897.
No, my question is in which year Subhash Chandra Bose went to Singapore from Japan?
1943.
Okay, and on which date?
28th March.
No, July 4. What was the slogan given by Subhash Chandra Bose in his speech and on radio?
चलो दिल्ली, लेट्स मार्च टू दिल्ली. एंड तुम मुझे खून दो मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा. Give me blood,
Okay,
I will give you freedom.
okay. Next question. who was retired as a head of INA?
Rai Bihari Bose.
Okay. Other all are sleeping. Fazil, Hussain.
No, ma'am.
Next question. After leaving the Congress party, which party was established by Subhash Chandra Bose? After leaving the Congress party, which party was established by Subhash Chandra Bose?
Swaraj Party.
No. Forward Bloc. Which party he has established? Forward Bloc. When was Swaraj? When did Subhash Chandra Bose join Swarajya Party?
In 1923.
Okay. Who was a war prisoner arrested by Japanese? Who was a war prisoner arrested by a Japanese?
Mohan Singh.
Okay. Only one has to reply. Aman. From where 100 Indian delegates were elected in the organization for the India's independence.
Malaysia,
Yes, again.
Japan,
Yes,
Sumatra,
yes.
Java, Hong Kong, Kenya,
Hmm.
Andaman,
Burma.
Burma.
Okay. What is the full form of ICS? Full form of ICS
Indian Civil Service.
and INA?
Indian National Army.
Okay. So clear the topic Subhash Chandra Bose and Azad
Yes.
Hind Fauj. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So now today I will send you the short notes of Dandi March and Quit India movement that you have to write in your file book. And in next lecture you are having the test of this, that is Subhash Chandra Bose, Dandi March and Quit India movement. Okay? Okay.
Okay.
If
Okay,
any
ma'am.
query regarding this topic,
No.
No.